Hello student, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see about rule number 1. The rule number 1 is each, every, either, neither. To focus on these words each, every, either and neither. These words are always followed by singular verb. Whenever in the question you see each, every, either, neither. Then to check the verb. If the verb is singular, then there is no problem. If the verb is plural, to change the verb into singular form. We see some examples. Every one of them was waiting outside. Everyone followed by singular verb. So this sentence is correct. Every student is talented. Every followed by singular verb is. So this sentence also correct. Each. Each of my student is talented. Each followed by singular verb is. This sentence also correct. This is for extra information, but in this video to focus on first rule. Each, every, either, neither followed by singular verb. In the next video, we will see the rule number 2. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks.